Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add and manage contacts. Navigate to the Contacts tab to manage your network of operators, vendors, and clients. To add a new operator, enter the name, and optionally a CRS number. Then specify the contract and fleet types. You can also include the station and the contract expiration date. To make sure you never miss a deadline, use the Near Due Days field to set an automated reminder. When finished, click Save to create the profile. Once saved, you can open the operator profile to upload related files or notes. To review the changes made, use the Activity tab to see a complete log of all changes made to the record. Next, let's add a vendor. Switch to the Vendors tab and click the plus vendor button. Here you can input the vendor's name, contact information, address, and their evaluation expiration date. You can also set a near due days to give you a warning. To manage compliance, select a vendor to upload essential documents, such as evaluations or certificates. Let's add the documents to our vendor. You can also add specific notes on the right-hand side. Every update is automatically tracked in the Activity tab for accountability. Finally, to add a client, click the plus client button and enter their name and contact information. Here, you can also specify the client's hourly rate. This rate will be used later when creating an estimate or an invoice. You can also add a discount percentage and payment days. All client information saved here will be reflected on the final invoice as well. You can manage client-specific documents and notes within their profile. Just like with vendors, all changes are logged in the Activity tab for your records. If you need to add all your operators, vendors, or clients at once, you can use our bulk import feature. Hover over the Actions button and select Import from Excel. Start by downloading the worksheet template. Populate the table with the necessary information and save the file. Once your file is ready, upload it to Wingops. You can then preview the data to ensure accuracy before clicking Import to finalize the process. That is how you can efficiently manage your professional network in Wingops. Thank you for watching.